Bonjour et bienvenue en francophile. Today we are learning about les saisons, seasons, and la météo, the weather. This is super useful topic because you will often talk about the weather in your daily conversations. Let's look at the seasons, les saisons. Le printemps, spring, l'été, summer. L'automne, autumn. L'hiver, winter. And la mousson, monsoon. Now let's repeat them together. Le printemps, l'été, l'automne, l'hiver, la mousson. Now let's look at some common ways to talk about the weather. In French, we usually use il fait, and then you describe the weather. Il fait chaud, it's hot. Il fait froid, it's cold. Il fait beau, the weather is nice. Il fait mauvais, the weather is bad. Il fait frais, it's cool. Il fait humide, it's humid. Il fait sec, it's dry. Il fait orageux, it's stormy. We also use il y a du soleil, it's sunny. Il y a du vent, it's windy. Il y a du brouillard, it's foggy. Il y a de l'orage, it's stormy or there is a storm. Il y a des nuages, it's cloudy. Il y a une tempête, there is a storm. And sometimes you will hear these expressions. Il pleut, it rains. Il neige, it snows or it's snowing. Now let's look at some other useful expressions. Le ciel est clair, the sky is clear. Le ciel est couvert, the sky is overcast. La température est élevée, the temperature is high. La température est basse, the temperature is low. Now let's see how to describe the weather by season. Au printemps, il fait beau et il y a du vent. In spring, the weather is nice and it's windy. En été, il fait très chaud. In summer, it's very hot. En automne, il pleut. In autumn, it rains. En hiver, il neige et il fait froid. In winter, it snows and it's cold. En mousson, il pleut beaucoup. In monsoon, it rains a lot. So, now you know how to talk about les saisons, seasons, and la météo, the weather, in French. Practice by answering these questions. Quelle est ta saison préférée? What's your favorite season? And quel temps fait-il? What's the weather? Comment below with your answer in French. I would love to see your replies. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Francophile, like this video and share it with your friend who's learning French. À bientôt!